The Michigan Supreme Court ruling our state's anti-discrimination law covers sexual orientation. It's a decision coming following a case out of Southwest Michigan. Our Jamie Sherrod joins us with the details tonight. Jamie?
Yeah, Josh, today justices ruled the word sex in the law applies to sexual orientation, not just gender, something those in the LGBTQ plus community are calling a win.
Ricky Cruiser grew up in Jenison, a town he says is known for being conservative.
I was one of the first people in my graduating class of 350 students to come out. It was definitely a tough journey.
He had to overcome many obstacles as a member of the LGBTQ plus community. Now as the executive director of Chosen Family Michigan, he's helping others do the same.
I certainly do know of other people who I advocate for every day that not only faced the bigotry and hatefulness that I faced, but have faced, being fired from their jobs or being hindered from other things in life, such as housing.
But a new Michigan Supreme Court decision is putting an end to that, saying in a 5-2 ruling that the state's anti-discrimination law covers sexual orientation, a victory for the LGBTQ plus community.
I'm certainly very excited about this ruling. Our Attorney General, Dana Nessel, put a lot of work into this initiative, as well as the ACLU. The American Civil Liberties Union, and it's a very important ruling.
I just would like to celebrate this incredible victory that so many of us in the state have worked for such a long time and have longed for, and just how meaningful this is going to be to so many people in the state of Michigan.
The decision comes after an event center in Sturgis called Roush World refused to host a same-sex wedding in 2019 because it conflicted with the owner's beliefs. A similar incident happened here in Grand Rapids at the Broadway Avenue, sparking protests earlier this month and causing the city to open an investigation into whether the owner's decision violated Grand Rapids' human rights ordinance.
It's exciting that the law is treating us, as equal, and hopefully that will help with some of these other things as well.
Ricky says although it's a win, there's still more work that needs to be done.
Respect for Mayor Jack just passed the House of Representatives. We're hoping we can get a vote on that in the Senate at the U.S. level. And then also it'd be great if the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act here in Michigan, as well as the Equality Act at the federal level to expand the U.S. civil rights legislation, would explicitly state that LGBTQ people are protected from discrimination when it comes to housing, banking, employment, and everything else that would be included under that.
In a statement, Governor Whitmer said she fought for years to bring protection to our LGBTQ plus community.
It goes to show that we are not less than, and we deserve the same rights as everybody else.
And once again, following today's ruling, Governor Whitmer did say that she fought for years to bring our LGBTQ plus community under the protection of the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act. And she's proud that today history has been made. She also says if we're going to attract the talented workforce our businesses need to create jobs and grow our economy, then we've got to get on the right side of history. We did reach out to the city to see where the investigation into the Broadway Avenue venue stands, but have not heard back. Owners there also declined to comment on the ruling and directed us to their attorney, as did the owners of Roush World. So far, we haven't heard back from them either. Josh, back to you.